This video we will discuss the end behavior of polynomial functions. The behavior of the graph of a function to the far left or the far right is called the end behavior. When revealing the end behavior, you look at the sign of the leading coefficient and the degree, n. One test to use to determine the end behavior is the leading coefficient test. So with the leading coefficient test, you're looking at two specific cases, for when n is odd or when n is even. So if n is odd and the leading coefficient is positive, it's greater than 0, the graph falls to the left and rises to the right. If n is odd and the leading coefficient is negative, then it rises to the left and falls to the right. Now when n is even, if the leading coefficient is positive, it rises to the right and to the left. But if the leading coefficient is negative, it falls to the left and falls to the right. So here's an example. F of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 3. The degree of this function is 3, which is odd. So on the leading coefficient is 1, which is positive. So by using the leading coefficient, n is odd and the leading coefficient is positive, which means the graph will fall to the left and rise to the right.